Hello and welcome to today's video. Learn English for daily life in America. If you're moving to the United States, visiting, or just want to speak better English, this video is for you. Today, I'll teach you easy and practical English that you can use in daily situations, like at the grocery store, in a restaurant, at work, or with neighbors. You don't need big grammar books. Just practice real English, the kind people speak every day. Let's start. Part 1. Basic greetings. When you meet someone in America, the first thing you say is a greeting. Here are some simple ways to say hello. Hi, informal and friendly. Hello, a little more polite. Hey, very casual, used with friends. When someone says, "Hi, how are you?" you can reply, "I'm good, thank you. How about you?" Doing well, thanks. You can also start conversations like, "Nice to meet you. How's your day going?" Tip. In American culture, smiling and making eye contact are very important when greeting someone. Part 2. Asking for help. You'll often need to ask for help, especially if you're new in the US. Here are some useful phrases. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for this address. Can you please repeat that? I don't understand. Can you explain? And if you want to be extra polite, say, could you please help me? Would you mind helping me? Tip. Americans appreciate politeness. Always use please and thank you when asking or receiving help. Part 3. At the grocery store. Let's say you go shopping at a supermarket like Walmart or Target. Here are phrases you can use. Where can I find the milk? How much is this? Do you accept credit cards? Can I get a bag, please? Is there a discount on this item? At checkout, the cashier might say, did you find everything okay? You can reply, yes, thank you. Or, I'm still looking for something. Do you have a rewards card? You can say, no, I don't. Or, yes, here it is. Tip. Most American stores are self-service. You pick your items, go to the checkout, pay, and pack. Part 4. Ordering food. In a restaurant, cafe, or fast food place like McDonald's or Starbucks, here's how to speak. I'd like a cheeseburger, please. Can I get a coffee with cream and sugar? What do you recommend? Can I see the menu? Is this dish spicy? When the food comes, you can say, thank you, or this looks great. And after eating, can I get the check, please? It was delicious, thank you. Tip. In the US, tipping is normal. You should leave around 15–20% of the total bill as a tip for the server. Part 5. Talking to neighbors. Being friendly with your neighbors is part of American culture. Here are ways to start a small conversation. Hi, I'm new here. I just moved in. Nice to meet you. I live next door. How's the neighborhood? Let me know if you ever need anything. Common friendly questions. Do you have kids? Where are you from? What do you do for work? Tip. Americans like casual talk called small talk, talking about weather, sports, food, or pets. Part 6. At work. If you work in America, English at work is important. Here are some common phrases. Good morning. Good afternoon. Can I ask you a quick question? I'm working on that task now. I'll send you an email. Let me know if you need help. When talking to your manager, I finished the project. I'm running a bit late. Can we schedule a meeting? Tip. Be on time, be clear, and always communicate respectfully at work. Part 7. Phone conversations. Talking on the phone can be tricky. Here are some simple sentences. Hello, this is your name speaking. May I speak to John, please? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you repeat? Can I leave a message? Thank you for calling. Have a great day. Tip. Speak slowly and clearly. If you don't understand, it's okay to ask again. Part 8. Useful phrases for everyday life. Here are some other helpful phrases. What time is it? Where is the nearest bus stop? Can I use your restroom? Do you have Wi-Fi here? I'm learning English. Can you speak a little slower, please? And always remember to say, please. Thank you. You're welcome. Sorry. Excuse me. These small words make a big difference. Great job! You've just learned useful English phrases for everyday life in America. Remember, practice every day. Don't worry about mistakes. Speak with confidence. Even if you speak slowly or use simple words, people will understand you, and they'll appreciate your effort. Host. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons. Comment below and tell me, what's the hardest part of learning English for you? What real-life situation do you want to learn English for next? Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now, and keep practicing English.